Fridgeka. The sarcastic notion that the fridge isn't enough, seamlessly woven into parenting, climate differences, economic sense, and the power of the humble fridge.
Breakfast time.
Fridgeka.
Ma, fridgeka. What does that mean?
How do I explain this to you? It's a suffix, a slang joined to an English short word called fridge, coined from refrigerator or cooling oblong box. Fridgeka in some parts of the world means various things in Indo-Pakistani, Punjabi, fridgeka means or what. Punjabi, family term, refers to fridgeka as a place of house. Sesotho, Southern Africa, refers to fridgeka to mean it is/I am. In Nigeria it refers to just fridge. Going further it means two things. 1. Fridgeka refers to cares. 2. Fridgeka used in negation means not what I want, not what I expect. It's the phrase you say when someone offers you a plain old fridge, and you think, I expected a smart fridge with auto-ordering, Wi-Fi, ice maker, touchscreens, AI integrations, app and voice control, and internal cameras, something dreamier.
So, it's like pointing out that what's offered isn't enough, not it. In terms of this scenario, fridge is not the concern.
Exactly, and today, we're turning that around. Because in today's world, when every coin counts, that humble fridge might just be the real solution.
But why are we talking about the fridge? I thought it's just to keep food cold, and preserving them.
It is, but as parents, we know it's more than that. It's about balancing what's dreamy and what's actually needed. When you say fridgeka, in Nigeria parlance, you're criticizing what's given, which you didn't want. And parenting, especially during hard times, is about teaching gratitude and wisdom to survive.
Like, thank you for breakfast, even if it's just porridge oatmeal.
Exactly. While others chase perfection, which is also good, we value practicality. Sometimes that just a fridge is exactly what makes everything possible. Let's imagine two families. Smith Lee lives in a sunny region with stable electricity. Brown Tan lives in a region with unpredictable power, maybe rural areas or developing countries.
Tell me more.
In Smith Lee's home, the fridge is one appliance amongst many, but for Brown Tan family, it's a lifeline, preserving every last drop of food, medicine, and even income. The fridge keeps milk fresh, reduces spoilage, and stretches every naira, cent, or penny.
So in some places, the fridge isn't luxury, it's a necessity. For some, survival.
Exactly. And even where power is steady, a fridge still stands between food and waste, money well spent or wasted. It's a very useful product. Now imagine climates. In equatorial areas, hot, humid, without refrigeration, food spoils fast. In cold regions, some places rarely see sunlight or consistent energy. Fridges still preserve essentials like vaccines, insulin, dairy.
So across climates, desert, floods, Arctic dark, the fridge stays the MVP, most valuable kitchen product.
You got it. This fridgeka sarcasm tells us expectations can be denied, but reality reminds us of the fridge's real power. From saving fish in coastal stalls to keeping medicine safe in clinics where power blinks, it's invaluable. Let's break it down. Reduced waste helps preserve food / which becomes the next meal. Money saved. Buying perishables in bulk costs less. Health. Store milk, vaccines, medicine safely.
So even if I say fridgeka, I should know that this fridge is a low-key super indispensable product.
Yes, because the hero doesn't have to sparkle. It just does its job, at the background.
So, should I stop saying fridgeka and say fridge ogbonge instead?
Soft laugh. That's a great idea. Sometimes what seems basic is actually extraordinary. The fridge isn't the problem, it's the silent savior.
So, next time someone says fridgeka, I'll just smile and shake my head because I know better.
Exactly. Here's to celebrating the everyday products, even the humble fridge. So, next time you're tempted to shrug and say fridgeka, just remember, that little fridge isn't just keeping things cold, it's saving food, money, and our sanity, especially for families navigating climate struggles and tight budgets. If that resonated with you, like this video, leave a comment sharing what your fridgeka moment might have been. Hit the subscribe button to join our journey of practical parenting in a changing world, and share this with other parents who could use a little fridge-inspired real talk. Because sometimes, the most ordinary appliance turns out to be a quiet MPV, minimum viable products.